Hello friends, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Maria aka Sita, and I'm so glad you're here. In today's video, we're going to be cash stuffing our wallet. We're also going to be allocating whatever fund goes towards the different binders. So if this is content you're interested in, please stay tuned. Alrighty guys, I am back. I took the day off yesterday. I just wasn't feeling good, so I'm back. I'm still feeling a little iffy. I don't know about you guys, but I think it's the temperature changes. I always get, flares. They're not big flares, but I suffer from fibromyalgia, and unfortunately, I get flares every now and then, and this just so happens to be the week. But I am okay. We're not going to complain. Thank you, Jesus. It is Sunday. I hope everyone is having a blessed day. We are going to count this money, and then we're going to cash stuff our wallet. And I'm going to do something a little different. Now, I have my budget workbook here. I'm going to show you that after I count the money. And then we're going to make sure that we allocate the funds, which is something I do every pay period, but I do it off camera. And I just thought it'd be nice to share it with you guys. All right, so let's get started. We've got 1, 2, 520. 700, 750, 800, and that is exactly the amount we should have. I have a couple dollars back here, but you already know I use that money to cash stuff my challenges for the month of September. I will be doing that. I'm not sure if I'm going to do it here in this video, but I probably will, guys, because I need to make sure that I am caught up with them. I'm a little behind. So let's see what we've got here. Give me 1 second. Let me get my workbook, which, like I said, I have right here. All right, and guess what? It is magically open to the right page. So here's our workbook. Here is the amount that we're cash stuffing towards our variable expenses. And this here is our binders and how much is going into each binder. All right, I'm going to set it to the side and we're going to get started with our wallet. Okay, so we are going to start with groceries. Guys, if you hear the kids, it is Jaden and his best friend. He spent the night. They've been up since early. I told them I was going to record, and they're pretty good. You know, Jaden's pretty good, and so is Aaliyah. But again, he has company. They're having fun. I'm not going to stress them out over it too much. So we've got 50 going into gasoline. 10 going towards household. 20. I always confuse this because I need to change these envelopes, and I always say that. So we've got 60 going into dining out, and then 20 going towards funding. And we are going to put $10 into miscellaneous. Alrighty, so we are done cash stuffing our wallet. Now, I put $200 into groceries. I may not need that much. I really don't think I need it at all. But I am going to try and bulk up on more toiletries. So toilet paper, paper towels, we have plenty here. But you know what, guys? Wintertime is coming. And as I stated in the last video, I do not like to go out unless absolutely necessary. So if I can go and buy that stuff in bulk and have it here, then that's what I will do. So we'll see how that goes with the groceries. And I am thinking of running to Aldi's to, pick up a few things. So again, we'll see how it goes. Now, normally this is where I finish my cash stuffing of my wallet video. But today I'm going to kind of show you what I do off camera. So our purple binder here is going to be receiving $100. So what I like to do, depending on the challenges that I'm going to be working on, I try and figure out more or less, what I'm going to need. So I'm going to take $20, $40, 50, 5, 60, 65, 70. You know what? Let me check again. Hold on, guys. No, you know what? I think I'm going 20, 40, 50, 65, 70, 75, 80. I'm going to do another 10, 90, and then we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ooh, I picked the perfect amount. So we've got $100 going into our perfect binder. 20, 40, 50, 60, 75, 80, 85, 90, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 100. We're going to put $100 in here. Now, if I need change, I can always just go into, the back of these envelopes. Some of them already have money. Or I'll go into another binder and, pull out the change. So now this one here is ready. We are going to go into our A5 binder. This one here will be for debt. We are going to be saving $75. So we've got 20, 40, 50, 5, 60. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's 70. I think I'll add another 5. Okay, so we've got $75. That's going to go in here. And next, we've got our green binder. That is for debt and self-care. Now this one here is mostly 10s and 5s. So I'm going to do, how much for this one? $75, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 5, 70, $75. I'm not sure I thought this out properly, but you know what? No, I'm not going to do that. Guys, I'm going to tell you the reason why I'm going to change this up a bit. It's because there's already funds in here. See how we have 5s and 10s? So what I'll do with this one here is I'll just switch out some of that money and again, that's something that I do off camera. So I'll have change for that one. Next, guys, is our, whoops, look at me, making a mess. Okay, we have our blue binder. This one's getting $75. Now this one, I know I can use almost all 20s because one of the challenges, this very first one, is going to get a bulk of the money. This one here is going to get $45. So we've got 20, 40, 60, $75. Okay, and that is going here. We are doing our brown. Let me set this one to the side. We are going to be working on our brown one. This one is getting $50. Now this is going to need 1s, but again, we already have a bunch of 1s here, so I'm not concerned because I'll just be able to pull some out of here. But let's do 10. 20. And we're going to grab a 20. So we got 20, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50. Okay, so we're going to put this here, and this is for our mini savings challenges. And again, off camera, what I'll do right before I cash stuff, I'll find, extra 1s or 5s if I feel that I need it for any of these binders. Now we have a new binder, guys. Look how beautiful. I took your advice. A lot of you said that I should put the pumpkin here. How beautiful is this? Guys, this is our Sweet 16 binder. I'm going to be using this to save for Aaliyah's Sweet 16. Baby girl doesn't turn 16 for another 3 years, but I need to start saving now. We're not sure what our plans are going to be, whether she wants a party or whether we're just going to go ahead and do, look how beautiful. Or we're going to go, on a trip, whatever it is. I still have a few years to decide and to start planning, but I need to start saving now. So for this beautiful pink binder, we're going to be using $40, 10, 20, 30, $40. I'm going to set it aside so it doesn't fall over. And lastly, guys, one here is going towards our 100 envelope challenge. Now, you already know I wrote a 6-sided die, so this here is definitely not the correct denominations. We should have $35 going into this binder here. Let's count: 25, 26, 27, 29, 30, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have $35. We're going to have to switch this money out because we need 5s and 1s. So what I'll do is I'll look for the nice ones and a few good 5s. And I'll just put this money in here, and that's how we'll be cash stuffing. That's what we'll be using to cash stuff this one. All right, so there we go. We are all set. We said we were going to put $350 into our wallet, which we did. And we also said that we are going to be putting $450 into our binders, guys. And that's exactly what we did. Everything is set. So if I was going to bulk record today, I would be, ready for it because I just need to grab a binder and go from there. But I won't be bulk recording. I do need to work on my September challenges, so you may see a video with that today. If not, we'll just catch up tomorrow. Alrighty, guys, I hope you have enjoyed your weekend to the fullest. It is Sunday. The week is almost here. We're going to start a new week. However, instead of worrying about it, complaining about it, feeling overwhelmed, let's just thank God that we are here, that we are healthy, and let's move forward with a wonderful, wonderful new week. Stay blessed, be safe, and we will be chatting soon.